have Ayra. New Ayra just following up from Stability that she's obviously going to be working for the next couple of weeks. You'd expect her to work that song as expected. Anyway, she's on a song with an artist called Bien. Okay. And this seems like a international Sautisol member. This guy from Sautisol. It's called Bien Baraza. Okay. From Kenya. And I'm excited, man. Let's go.
Sweet, sweet music. Sweet, sweet music. Bien and Ayra Starr. You got a keys to my heart. My baby never lets me down.
See, I already know this is going to work for me. You guys notice how I liked it so early. I know this is obviously going to work. Cause these are, yeah. Don't play with any product of Sautisol and an Ayra Starr next to them with the R&B like fused beat. Like let's go.
You deserve a crown. My baby never lets me down. My baby never lets me down. My baby never. 40 days and 49.
Come on.
In the wilderness of Savannah.
Let go.
Lower lows and higher highs. High me up like marijuana.
Let's go.
Canceling my flight.
Hey.
And if you call me for 3 a.m. nitapi, no one other man them say I'm naive. You got a keys.
Come on. Ayra.
My baby never lets me down. My baby never.
Ayra has this, oh gosh, she has the ability to, merge role with other vocalists, man. Like, this is great. Like, this is great so far. Like, this is simple hook. This is very intimate atmosphere that they're building up with the production, and how Bien is like walking through the verses with the nice switching up cadences there, and then we're getting some harmony chops from him that you would liken to a Sautisol production, you know. And then the chorus, the both of them sharing the chorus together is such a sweet thing to see, and so romantic so far. This is working. This is working for me.
Baby, you're my killer.
Okay.
Baby, you're my energy.
Soulful.
I go give you moolah. No one of my girlfriends call me naive.
Hey, pen.
You're all I need.
Oh, vocal.
You deserve a crown.
Definitely going to the playlist. Let go.
My baby never lets me down.
Oh, this is the kind of record you want to spin again, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. This is exactly what I guess would come out from an Ayra feature with the Bien from Sautisol. Like, this is exactly what you would expect. The ingenuity behind both their vocal presence is just great. Like, the synergy here is strong. It's evident. And it's props to both of them because they're able to build that rapport. I don't know. Again, Ayra is collaborating all over the place. I don't even know if this was a case of them sending vocals back and forth as opposed to like being in the studio. But if anything, it feels like they were both in the studio together to cook this up, because it just feels extra. It just feels extra organic, you know, how they arranged it, and the production is calm. The soul behind Bien's vocals, like his vocals alone, evident on Sautisol. He always stands out. On every Sautisol record, and you just know when you hear him. Like, it's very identical, you know, and like he has just an extra oomph of soul in his vocals that I'm like, yeah, that I'm a sucker for, bro. Like, and this was great. Absolutely loved it. I can't take much back out of it.